Hello, Brian Kirwan is my name and I'm a solicitor here in Amorys. I'd like to talk to you today about taking a personal injury claim and what we at Amorys can do for you if you've been involved in a slip and fall type accident, a road traffic accident or an accident in the workplace. Firstly, to bring a claim in Ireland, you will have to lodge a claim with the Personal Injuries Assessment Board, also known as PIAB. PIAB is an independent state body which assesses personal injury claims. PIAB will not look at fault, rather they will only look at the injuries you have suffered in assessing the amount of an award. In order to make this assessment, PIAB will look at what is known as the Book of Quantum. The Book of Quantum provides an indication of what PIAB will value your claim at based on the injuries that you have suffered. You can view the Book of Quantum online on the PIAB website. You should of course get the necessary medical attention at the earliest opportunity to ensure that you make the best possible recovery. We will then be writing to your doctors to get a medical report, as it's a requirement as part of the PIAB assessment. The report will also provide us with the necessary medical evidence required in establishing your claim. Before coming to us, you should also put as much possible information together, such as details of the other parties, their insurers, and details of witnesses to the accident. This leads me on to the question, why should you go to a solicitor if you have been involved in an accident? Well, most importantly, and in the context of a personal injury claim, we will walk you through the process and make sure you get the best possible outcome. In a personal injury situation, it is not necessarily the case that where there is an accident that there is negligence. We are here to help you establish the merits of your case and to advise on its strengths. Where we can establish that someone's negligence was the cause of your injury and that you have a bona fide claim, then you will usually have 2 years from the date of the accident to bring a case. When PIAB have finalised their assessment based on your injuries, they will write to both you and the liable person confirming the amount of the award. If both parties accept the assessment, then the matter will be deemed to be settled at the PIAB stage. If either party don't accept the PIAB assessment, then PIAB will issue you with an authorisation, at which point you will be free to go before the courts and sue for damages in the normal course. It should of course be noted that the vast majority of cases that actually go before the courts ultimately settle before they ever go to a hearing. If you would like to discuss an injury that you have suffered in more detail, then please do not hesitate to contact me on the number below or your usual Amorys contact. Thank you.